Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to talk about how you can use Kali Linux in your Android mobile phone and without installing Kali Linux. So first of all, open up your browser and type here DistroTest. Open this first link. Here you can see lots of Linux machine. Just click any details. Here it will show you all the details, like it is using 1 GB of RAM. Just click on System Start. It will take some time. Now hit enter. It will take some time. Here you go. Your Linux is ready to use. Now you can use Linux in your browser. No need to install in your mobile. That's all for today guys. Hope you like this video. Thank you.